You know, I have watched this movie 2 times.
Have you?
Yeah. I love horror movies.
Do you?
I do.
As you can see, today we're going to focus on response questions. Ready? Let's talk!
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
Hello! Welcome to your Language Studio. I am Teacher Sari, and in these lessons, I am going to help you review different expressions so you can improve your conversations. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. In today's video, we're going to focus on response questions to express interest in our conversations. Let's start! In conversations, sometimes we need to use different expressions that show the other person that we are interested in the information they're telling us. An example of these expressions can be response questions. Pay attention to the following mini dialogues and analyze the use of these questions.
Have you ever gone rock climbing?
No, I'm afraid of heights.
Are you?
Yes, I have been all my life.
Yesterday, I went to the movies.
Did you?
Yeah, I watched the new horror movie.
I thought you didn't like horror movies.
No, I love them.
Have you ever helped in a dog shelter?
No. Have you?
Yes, I volunteer in one.
That's nice.
As you can see, we use response questions to express our interest. We need to use the auxiliary of the tense the other person is using. Listen.
Yesterday, I went to the movies.
Did you?
In this case, the tense is the past. Therefore, we use did. Did you?
No, I'm afraid of heights.
Are you?
In this case, the tense is the present with the to be. Therefore, we use are. Are you?
Have you ever helped in a dog shelter?
No. Have you?
In this case, the tense is the present perfect. Therefore, the auxiliary is have. Have you? Perfect. We have reviewed response questions. Remember that these questions help us show interest in the conversation. Also remember that you need to use the auxiliary of the tense the other person is using. Now practice using response questions in your conversations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next Conversation Strategies lesson. Bye!